The first look of Galaxy Z Fold 6 was out, but there's a twist. According to confirmed source, Samsung is going to change the design on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and yes, it will not look like this, but a different design. Everyone wants a wider cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and this paid-in image shows the perfect design for the Z Fold 6 wider cover display. But this was wrong. According to Universe, Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not as wide as the paid-in picture, but it is also relatively wide and the screen R angle is close to the right angle. If you look for a mobile phone for analogy, it is more like a screen R angle of Nubia Z60 Ultra, and the middle frame is similar, which is the vertical design. This is quite interesting, as if this phone is not as wide as mentioned by ICE, then how much will it be? That means a slightly wider design compared to the Z Fold 5. Moreover, he further added, "From now on, my Z Fold 6 leak is absolutely accurate, not based on the patent drawings and other sources. First of all, the design of a Z Fold 6 is more square. If the phone is more square, this means Z Fold 6 will not be a huge phone. Instead, Samsung made a wider cover display but keep the same form factor. Also, how the app would run on inner display will be a mystery, and it should be a portrait like a Z Fold 5 so we can run any app on inner display at the time of launch, and not like the Pixel Fold where Instagram was not even working properly." The battery life and the camera updates are also in line, but before talking about that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. According to one source, Samsung might equip 200 megapixel sensor on the Z Fold 6 just like the S24 Ultra, but without decreasing the battery. Well, this information is wrong, as according to Galaxy Club, they cannot confirm 200 megapixel sensor, but the 50 megapixel sensor will surely coming on the Z Fold 6, which is same as S24 base model. Samsung is using 50 megapixel sensor on foldable phones from past 2 years, Fold 4, Fold 5, and now the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be the one. But there are a couple of AI updates which might help to improve the camera performance on the Z Fold 6. Also, we can expect other AI camera features on the Z Fold 6. It could be 4K 60 FPS while switching between different lenses. Meanwhile, the battery life on the Z Fold 6 is what matters the most. As from past couple of years, Samsung was using the same 4400 mAh battery in Galaxy foldables, and now there are a couple of sources claiming a bigger battery in the Z Fold 6. First, the official battery of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is out, but the capacity is not confirmed. Although, if you compare the battery with the last year Galaxy Z Fold 5, the battery is slightly longer in size compared to the Z Fold 5, but the width of the batteries are same. But Samsung will going to use dual battery setup as the Z Fold 5, so the second battery will be smaller just like this one. This one is the Galaxy Z Fold 5 battery. Now that we know we are getting a bigger battery, one of the source claims Samsung will going to add a 5000 mAh battery in the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is 600 mAh more than the Z Fold 5. This is really a big update, but it's not confirmed. We still need more sources to confirm this. Samsung really need a bigger battery in the Z Fold 6. Even Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is not as efficient as its predecessor. The release date of the new device is expected earlier as the early production is started. Instead of August launch, we are expecting a launch somewhere in July. Although last year, Z Fold 5 was launched on 26th of July, and we can expect even earlier for the Z Fold 6. With that said, thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.